Hello everyone, welcome to Budget Scenery Workshop. Today I decided to work on something a little different, using mostly the bits and pieces that I've kind of accumulated by not really throwing anything out. The main structure of this was just two baked bean cans. The green bits on them, they were from milk cartons, milk bottles. And as you can see here, to cover up the ends, I used scrap pieces of foam core board. This is just the not very good kind. I couldn't get access to the type where you can easily tear the paper off, which kind of sucked, but I made do. By the way, a bit of advice: don't use scissors to cut these out. Use a very sharp knife. When I was doing these supports, so that stay supported, first I decided to make like a stencil, so hopefully I would get all four exactly the same. But as it turned out, one of the cans was slightly larger or smaller than the other one. But I figured out in the end it was easy enough to work through. So yeah. Just be aware that if you are trying to make one of these, just make sure you're using two of the same cans, or just be prepared to make the supports different sizes. That little gold ball you can see, I was planning on using it as a kind of extra bit of oil or gasoline storage or whatever, but I didn't end up using it. I'll just use it for another project. Here I just use more scrap pieces just to cover up the support, and now I'm making the walkways for it. And this stuff, this was very cheap garden border material. Yeah, I'm also planning on possibly making just a little video for like a little self-isolation project for like something I make for storing all my paints in, but I'm not sure about that. Just something to think about.
Doesn't taste right no more when you say my name.
And this is a very simple technique to stop your whatever you're trying to make sliding about the place. I just laid some masking tape down just to make it secure, so when I was measuring it out and gluing it down, it wouldn't move, and all the bits were nice and level. I thought about adding a lot more so. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't use any more pipes. I think that's enough now. So as you can see, all I've done is undercoated the top and Textured it with my mix of PVA glue, black acrylic paint, and some kind of rough sawdust, so it gives a nice little texture to it. And for the drips of ooze that you can see now, for this one I use rose, and for the other tanker I used a lemon yellow. And as you can see, my tacky glue finally arrived, which I was super happy about. And these bricks, I just had that, it was like a big yellow board of foam that I'd had for ages, so I decided to cut some up and make lots and lots of little bricks. So I just wanted to scatter some around, make it look like it was at one point kind of walled in. So one more stage before I varnish it was just to give it a good wash of. First I used Nuln oil, but then I finally went over it with my my black wash that I made myself in a previous for a previous video. A couple of these bricks I kind of experimented before I painted on them. I knew it wouldn't look good, but I just wanted to see what it'd look like if I just straight up give it a black wash. And yeah, as you can see, it didn't really look good at all. So yeah, I decided to paint them all grey and then give them a final wash. And here I am using my, perhaps a little too liberally, but here I am using my black wash that I made. I'm still happy with the results. It's a good handmade wash, and I think I will get a lot of uses out of it. Anyway, almost done now. Okay, so there's the finished piece. I quite like the dripping ooze bits. Yeah, just the last thing to do to it is just give it a coat of varnish, then that'll be protected. Anyway, just let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, you'll never miss a thing. If you are not subscribed, please do so, and I will catch you next time. Bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching.